Today, it's almost impossible to imagine a world without electrical connections. From powering homes and businesses to supporting critical infrastructure and digital technology, electricity is the backbone of modern life. Recognizing the magnitude of electrical connections helps us appreciate the critical role that even the smallest components, such as electrical connector fittings, play in the bigger picture. Products like CANTEX PVC female adapters are more than simple fittings. They are essential for protecting wiring inside conduit and maintaining safe, secure, and efficient electrical systems. CANTEX manufactures PVC female adapters in 13 trade sizes, ranging from 1/2 inch to 8 inches, offering versatility for a wide variety of electrical installations. Featuring a female threaded socket on one end and a slip socket on the other, these adapters are specifically designed to connect electrical components with differing end types. They provide a reliable transition from a solvent-welded or cemented PVC connection to a male-threaded connection for both new construction and retrofit projects. Always check the NEC guidelines and all regional electrical guidelines before installing any PVC electrical product to ensure suitable and safe electrical connections. This installation video demonstrates how to connect a PVC solvent end pipe with a male-threaded end metal pipe in electrical applications. Use CANTEX PVC female adapters only with tapered threaded pipe and fittings, not with straight threaded products. Additionally, CANTEX PVC female adapters should never be used for plumbing applications. PVC female adapters are easy to install. Before you begin, make sure you have the correct size CANTEX PVC female adapter for your connection. CANTEX offers 13 trade sizes to fit a wide range of pipe combinations. Begin by screwing the male threaded metal pipe into the threaded side of the female adapter. Tighten it securely, but avoid over-tightening. Next, prepare the PVC conduit. Cut it to desired length and deburr the ends if necessary. Now, apply PVC cement inside of the slip socket on the adapter and to the outside of the PVC conduit. Then, insert the pipe into the female adapter, twisting slightly to distribute the cement evenly. Hold the pipe in place for a few seconds to allow the bond to set. Wipe away any excess cement and allow the joint to fully cure before wiring. Always wire your project according to manufacturer instructions, as well as NEC guidelines and regional codes. CANTEX PVC female adapters are UL listed, American made, and crafted from high-quality, rigid PVC, providing a durable, long-lasting solution for all your electrical connections.